Hello everyone! Today I'm making yummy homemade kimbap. And it turned out so good. My whole family really enjoyed it. First, I washed the spinach and boiled it for about 3 minutes. Once it was done, I drained all the water completely and set it aside in a separate bowl. Next, I chopped garlic. And carrots. I lightly fried the carrots and kept them aside in another container. Then I prepared the yellow pickled radish by cutting it into long strips. For the beef, I sliced it thin, so it would cook easily. I marinated the beef with 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, chopped garlic, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. I mixed it well and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Then fried it until nicely cooked. After that, I cooked jasmine rice and transferred it to a bowl. I added a little sesame oil and mixed it gently. Now it's time to assemble the kimbap. I placed a bamboo mat on the counter, covered it with plastic Ziploc bag to make rolling easier and prevent the rice from sticking it. Then I placed the seaweed on top, making sure the shining side was facing down. I spread an even layer of rice over the seaweed. On top of the rice, I added fried beef slices, added spinach, then carrots, yellow radish. Then I carefully rolled it tightly using the bamboo mat. I made a few rolls since we all love kimbap. Finally, I sliced them evenly. They were ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more yummy recipes.